Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kronos Ready Workforce, view Timecard online step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type the URL for the Kronos Ready Workforce login page. Press enter to navigate to the website. On the home page, locate the login area. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check that both entries are correct. Click on the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Look for the Timecard option on the left-hand menu. Click on Timecard to view your time entries. In the Timecard view, you will see your hours worked for each pay period. If you need to adjust any entries, find the relevant date. Click on the date to edit your hours as needed. After making adjustments, ensure you confirm any changes. To view detailed reports, select the Reports tab in the menu. Choose the type of report you wish to generate. Follow the prompts to filter and customize your report. Once satisfied, click Generate to view the report. To log out, find the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon, then select Logout. Make sure to log out, especially if using a shared computer. You have now successfully viewed your Timecard in Kronos Ready Workforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.